So today I'm going to be attempting to clean the throttle body on my 2010 Pontiac Vibe. It's very similar or same design as the 2010 Toyota Matrix, a 1.8 liter engine version, and I'll explain why. Okay, so the part I'm referring to, this is the throttle body attached to the side of the engine here. There's a couple coolant hoses, I believe, that are hooked up on the bottom, and then the air hose that's hooked up right at the top here. WD-40 is what you're seeing there. Basically, I suspect that there's a clog in the butterfly mechanism, so it should be moving this way and that way, but if there's carbon buildup in there, that may not be moving as smoothly. So it creates this puttering effect. Often the car will rev really high and then sound like it's stalling out. So we're going to see if we can increase that airflow. So I've disconnected the air hose and started giving everything a quick clean. All I'm using here is just with a microfiber cloth, some throttle body cleaner. You can get it pretty much anywhere. Buddy had a little bit left over in a can. I just sprayed it all on the cloth. And then I'm actually going into the throttle body itself and wiping it all down. You want to be really careful with that butterfly mechanism. When you do move it, you want to move it very, very slowly. I'm going to show you. So basically I had this kind of propped open with my thumb here, and then went in it with the rag and just kind of gave everything a nice clean, made sure there's no residue left over, that type of thing. You want to be super gentle with this mechanism. It is attached to a motor, so you can see I'm being very, very slow as I get it back into place, just to make sure I don't damage anything. So after I put everything back together, gave the car a start and just listened to it for a little bit, I was very happy with what I heard. The engine seemed to be revving in a much more normal state. I even had the chance to just kind of take it around the block and just see. And even the acceleration, I noticed an immediate difference where I didn't seem to have to press as far down on the pedal to get the same amount of power. And this is one of the issues I was experiencing before. So I'll keep you posted if there's anything new that comes of it, but I would call this throttle body cleaning a success. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.